morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Oh my god. So I ended the last vlog I think on Thursday. Did I film yesterday? Yesterday was Friday. Today is Saturday. Welcome to the beginning of a new vlog, you guys. I have a lot packed for today. I have a brand to shoot a content for. I should have filmed this content since last week because they brought the stuff, they brought the products, and it's food products. I had to repurchase some because the yogurt would have spoiled, so I had to take it. So I repurchased another one yesterday and I'm going to film the content today. So when you guys see the content, please patronize the brand if you're in Port Harcourt. If you're new here, my name is Kemi and welcome. So you guys, my hand is paining me already. I did some painting yesterday. My old painting that I had, I didn't really like the color, the canvas painting that you guys usually see in my video or in my parlor living room area. So I changed. I tried filming yesterday. All of a sudden my phone was saying too full, memory full and all of that. So it's down here. I like two and I ate two. I'm just going to show you guys. Tell you guys, I like this one and this one and this one. I just restyled it. I don't know what I was doing, and then I looked at picture to paint this one and I really liked it. So I don't know, I'm just going to hang it up like that because if I start repainting it I might spoil it eventually. So yeah, I'm going to hang it up here right beside my mirror. It's just going to stay, the four of it is just going to stay here. But right now I want to make coffee. I want to make cold coffee. I've always been drinking hot coffee. I've made cold coffee I think like twice, so I want to give it a try today. Can you guys believe that I bought my first milk since I moved into this apartment? Like, I've never bought milk. Like, I've not bought milk from store because sometimes I react to milk. So I bought my first milk for this apartment yesterday night. I went out yesterday to do like a little grocery shopping because I'll be needing some stuff for my videos today. So I went out to quickly grab like 4 or 5 things and I decided to grab a milk. So yeah, I'm going to use the milk for the coffee. Let me show you guys the milk. This is the milk I got. I really hope I like it. I don't know, I'm just going to give it a try, but I really hope I like it. So I'm going to be adding it to my coffee. And I also got a candle. Also got this candle as well yesterday. Let me just unbox this real quick because I'm also going to use it in my setup for my coffee making video. Good morning. How are you guys doing? I have a lot of energy in me. Not really, but you know, when I'm filming, there's energy. Guess who is back on ponytail? Me. Yeah, your girl is back on ponytail. You guys, as I was doing my skincare, I noticed that, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's this hair. I don't know why I'm not seeing it again. Okay, I found it. There's this hair that is just so long, just one strand. Anyway, I'm a special child, so I kind of like whip this thing up, my a ponytail. I kind of like whip it up yesterday night because I have quite a lot of events today, actually just 3, but I might stab one because I don't know how the second one is going to be. I have a wedding to attend today. It's supposed to be by 12. It's already 12 and I'm just getting ready. Yeah, so basically I want to get ready now. I just finished doing my skincare and I want to also use a face mask so that the moisture is going to be moisturizing today. I was supposed to go for Bole Festival. Bole Festival is the biggest activity here in Port Harcourt. If you don't know, now you know. But I don't know if I'm going to be going for that one. I went last year. I don't know if I'm going to be going for this one. But it's for 2 days, so might probably rethink maybe tomorrow I might go. And there's a beach party. It's called Day or Not. Definitely going for that one because I've already arranged my outfit down for that one, and my outfit for the wedding is ready as well. So I just want to do my skin prep and I want my makeup to stay on, not use face mask so the moisture can be moisturizing. Do you get I know. Anyway, so yeah, first just it smells straight. It smells so nice though. It smells so nice. It's also, is it in or out? I think it's in. Okay, it's actually out. This is a mess. evening. How are you guys doing? How are my online buddies, my speaking buddies, my talking buddies? How are you guys doing? What is this fly? How are you guys doing? Today's Thursday and I'm about to make dinner. I want to make air fried potatoes and chicken, and they're both frozen, so I brought them out to defrost, and I got myself this drink that I've been craving for the longest. Can you guess what drink this is? Guess in the comment section. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is coming down already. So I don't know what I'm going to do, either to remove the plate and get it. I'm actually thinking about getting a stand beside this place because it's actually a free space, and then I'll just transfer it. I don't know yet, it's still in my head. But anyway, how are you guys doing? So dinner prep, let's start, because I feel it's going to take a long time. I'm sure you guys don't know I have an air fryer, because I do. I have one rusty old air fryer that is right here looking at me. I'm like, do you think I'm rusty? Yes, you are. You're rusty. Anyway, it's not so bad. It's not that bad. My drink is here. Oh my goodness. My drink is here to accompany me before the food is ready. So let's get dinner ready. Okay? Yeah.